So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So anyway guys, we are here today in the Innoport Chinese University here in, yes, exactly in the Chinese University. I'm going to attend today my Canva workshop and other workshop for Health Bridge Academy. So I still have a time guys, so I am going to in the park of Innoport Chinese University. I already registered my name in the guard section but cannot to take a video strolling around here in university. So this is the compound of the university guys here. So here, yes, so I will find a good place just to sit down first because I'm almost getting tired. So maybe I can where is the park here? Actually guys, I am finding the park here just to take a rest while I'm waiting for the workshop time. So there is no park guys, there is no park here. So I will show you guys the Innoport, the good views, the green views here in front of me guys. Here we go guys. So that is the Chinese University guys, and this is the green surroundings. Yes, so ang ganda ng views, punong-puno ng kahoy. Nakaka-relax guys sa mata, right? So yeah, taga guys, nakita yung park. So maybe I will go now in the video, then I will meet some of my classmates or my workshop mates. I feel sleepy guys, I don't know. So I will go now guys. Okay, let's go. Grabe guys, ang bigat ng dala-dala ko guys na na gamit. So ando na daw guys yung mga kaklase ko, yung mga ha? Oh, is it open? Light? What?
I didn't see the light. No, this one.
Is it? Oh. Okay. Alam nyo guys, natutuwa ako dito sa isang guard kasi ang galing niyang magtagalog, as influence siya sa Tagalog. Chinese po siya guys. Tapos tinanong ko siya kung ano siya, Filipino. Sabi niya Filipino by heart daw siya guys. Wala namang coffee shop dito. So guys, I am here now at the Innoport Chinese University guys. So ito lang yung building nila guys. Ito siya, papakita ko guys. So ito guys yung building, at saka merong coffee dito guys. Yan yung mga coffee shop. Ito guys. So ito siya, enter University Hall. So ito siya yung yung university, yung Chinese University guys. Ito lang siya. Yan. Ang boring guys. Walang walang may nagsasalita sa paligid, parang ako lang, charot. So ito siya guys. So guys, this is my simple lunch for today. So this is only 37. So I have some like a, what do you call this? I don't know what kind of food is this. So ito siya. So this is my lunch guys. Yan. So, meron siyang, I think this is a chicken, and then egg, and then lettuce, and this is a macaroni. And what do you call this? I think this is a cheese. Oh yeah, this is a, I think cheese and tomato. So let's go guys, let's eat. Ang ingay naman ng ulo ko. This is the guys, let's eat. May mix ko dito guys.
Digital skills that any entrepreneur go back to the office life, even if it pays less. Maybe you want to just
Hey!